Lithium batteries for solar, lithium batteries in cold weather. Live here in the command center of the JW Solar USA in Minnesota. So guys, as you guys have seen, this project is going along pretty well, but we facing some few obstacles here. We keep running out of this Volkswagen e-Golf. So let me show you. This is the original one I have here, the first stack, and all the way down. And these are the ones I just picked up a few days ago. And yesterday we had these two in, but they were so cold that I want them to thaw out because it's cold. So I know summertime you gotta find a way how to cool them if in the car, and to heat them up when it's cold. So yesterday they got a cold, and now it's a matter of like how we gonna thaw them out in an old fashion without using any thermal heat, or just bring them inside the house and thaw out. And you don't have to connect them because they're all in the bubble wrap, they're all in the box, but it's like 5 degrees outside, 5 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's really cold, and condensation would take place at that time as well. If you just take them, started stacking them or started using them, it might cause fire because of water is already on the batteries because it's thawing out. So this is what I did. I just brought them in the old-fashioned way and keep on thawing out as I decided to do this so that we can test them and see what we have here. But whatever, I get shorted because I need 8 of these batteries to complete this similar stack that I have here. Okay, but unfortunately I ran out of batteries again. We lost them again where I just got them from the vendor, and I think other people started racing with me because I've been talking too much about these batteries. There they are. And they even send me the bus bars. They come in different style. This is like a 90 degree or whatever, 45s or 90 degree. They have different bus bars. So let's check it out and see what we have here. Well, this is what I have here. Look at that. Different angles, different shape. Those are the ones I received a few days ago. Let's see, they come in different. He told me in different styles, and within the same battery, because the way they get them lined up in the car or inside the one old battery thing. Look at the construction of it. They have the bolt. There you go. They have the bolt inside, embedded here. You can just put the T. That's a T20, T30. Sorry. The top of the battery is T20. So these are the angles, and it's 3.5 kV DC, 105 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius, 338 volts this bus bar or this interconnect can handle. It's a 35 millimeter square copper. Okay, so it's kind of neat stuff. Then these are the bus bars for it, or the interconnect, and you can see the other ones here. These are all, that's how they come different shape. But the only thing is it's 2014. Let's go back here. Just want to give some detail. Maybe it's not interesting for you guys. The other people are not interested, but some people want to know the detail, so I just gotta show them. So now what we're gonna do here, we're going to be testing these batteries to see the voltage capacity, or the voltage they already had, or they have from the vendor, or yeah, I got him from. So let's take a look. Set the camera. All right, let's turn the DC. Okay, let's see. Set this thing properly. We can be able to see it. I hope you can see it. All right, let's go about testing the battery to see the voltage that they have after being in the cold. Gotta prove things before ever install them. See if everything was arranged well or properly, being you're dealing with a good battery or not. So this is what we do here. Was 10.37, 14.38. So the same as the battery, the ones that we had the last time. So let's check it out again. Or 10.38. So the batteries are good. So what I'm gonna do right now, let's go ahead and open up this battery like we did the last time. I want to show you something cool about these batteries. There's two functionalities here. You see, tell me what you detect, because I thought it's pretty cool. I want to share with you guys, and we're gonna talk about it a little bit with the dates on them. Okay, I'm gonna set the camera really well so you can see it. So let's take this thing. I'm using a T20 right there to unscrew this guy here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I want you to watch the battery keenly and see what you observe. So remember, it doesn't matter the cover. You're probably gonna think because of polarity, it only goes one way. Look at the cut right here, and look at this cut right here. So you're not gonna put the positive to the negative sign, negative to positive sign. It's not gonna happen, okay? What do you think? What do you see? There's two different configuration here. Two things you've seen. One with a balancer or USB. Oh, sorry, a BMS on it. Okay. And I'm gonna tell you which one is that with the BMS, without the BMS, what year or what month or the date on it. So this is how they look. They look like. For some reason, I don't know why. Maybe you guys have a good answer for me. Because I'm speaking to the world. I'm not speaking to just few people here, because JW Solar USA is all over the world. So I have viewers all over the world and a lot of smart people, okay, or experience. So the one with the BMS or / balancer, whatever you want to call it, but I know it's a BMS. Let's go back this way. So this is the one with the BMS board. So let's check the date. The 25th, 04. So that's gonna be April 14. No, the 25th April 2014. Okay, and that one there is the 28th April 2014 without the BMS. Just days difference. That's the one without the BMS, and this one is the one with the BMS. See that? So tell me what you think. Why is that? That brought the curiosity, because if you look at the other ones here, you can see the dates are different. This is a 13. I want to see what the 13 is. So this is since this one here is the 25th, and down here I can add a 28th. I opened that the last time, and there's a 25th there. I'm curious if it has the BMS board, and down there is gonna be the 28th as well. So at the 28th I have 3 of them, and 13 is one. So I'm kind of curious to see what's all this about. But guys, this is what you're dealing with. If you know how to configure this board, you don't have to buy a BMS anymore. You can just go with the thing. I have the plugs when I bought them before, and they sent me the plugs, the connectors. So if you know how to figure out, program this, let me know, so I can able to use those plugs and just go about it. Or I can discard one of these and I can able to rewire it. Tell me what you think a BMS that can work. Like those ones, they don't have BMSs. That one doesn't have a BMSs. This one has a BMS. If someone can reprogram, knows how to reprogram this one, please make a video and share it with me, or explain it to me, or we can do it all together. Because by having the original BMS board, that would be really, really sweet, because this designed for it. And like I always say, I'm not buying into the BMS system, BMSs yet, because I don't have no BMS on my systems. And I'm not saying BMS is bad, but it can be dangerous as well, like any other thing, like running the battery without a BMS. Okay, and I don't know if that one has I think it all came from the same vehicle. I don't know. That's what the vendor told me. The vendor told me, and I don't know how that's supposed to be. I don't understand that. Maybe he had more of them. Maybe he was just telling me. I don't know. So I think the BMS that comes with the vehicle batteries, the batteries BMS is gonna be the good BMSs. So there's, I think this is where you interconnect, like we're going on the series thing. There are the temperature sensors. There's another plug right here. So I don't know if someone can configure this one. If you look at it, that's like a little ribbon. Okay, like circuit board. It's a connector, but a thin ribbon wire all the way that plugs. It doesn't have that. So the batteries are kind of, the one old topic, the batteries are kind of thrown out. There is no moisture buildup into this thing, and the batteries are all welded together. There's no way you can just connect it. I think you have to rip off this entire thing, take this one old thing off, you can able to get to the battery or cut off the bus bars they have there. Pretty interesting. Look at this one. You think probably can just get into it? I don't think so. So you have to desolder all these terminals and go into it. Well, this is the thing we have here, and I'm not messing with this one because I don't know how it's configured, and I think this is a thermal sensor right here. I can tell. I don't know if you guys can read it from the camera. So I can see the sensor on the corner right here, right by the terminal. So the heat, when you draw more power, where's my finger? Right there. It's connected, so you can read the heat. Well, this is the deal, and this is what we're gonna be dealing with. I need 2 more batteries of this so I can complete the 1 whole stack I have here, similar to this one here, so I can get my twin towers. Live from the command center of the JW Solar USA, guys. Thanks for watching. Pretty soon we're gonna be stacking up this thing, but I still need 2 more of these batteries. I can able to use it with my 32 volt outback inverter over there. It goes all the way to that's the FX. Is a FX2. Hold on, I think that's the one. Yeah, the FX 2000 inverter charger. Yeah, so it has a 32 volt, which can run up to about 45, 47, 42, 47. Yeah. Yeah. So, yeah. So, like and subscribe to the video. And we know the batteries are healthy. We know that everything is okay. All the voltages are all the same with the previous ones. The previous test we did over there. So I was hoping that I'm going to have the other batteries coming in, which I was promised to get the rest of the batteries. Well, someone probably faster or whatever, maybe pull the rug under my feet. So here we go. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.